You finished part 1. That was just a warm-up. Now it's time to level up. 4 weeks, no excuses. Follow me step by step. Week 1, sharpen your weapons. This week, it's about clean punches, form, precision, control. Start with this combo. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Do 3 rounds, 2 minutes each. After every combo, move your feet, never stay still. Next, shadowboxing. 3 rounds, 3 minutes. Throw your punches, then imagine the counter coming back. Slip, roll, step back, then punch again. Push-ups, 4 sets of 12. Half normal, half explosive. Drive off the ground like you're hitting with your fists. Finish with a jump rope. 5 minutes straight. Stay light, stay sharp. Week to power and endurance. Now your punches get heavier, your lungs get tested. Combo of the week. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. 3 rounds, 3 minutes. Every punch with full power. Guard up at all times. Push-ups again, but explosive. Clap push-ups if you can. 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Jump rope, 6 minutes. 30 seconds fast, 30 seconds slow. Repeat. Conditioning circuit. 10 burpees, 15 squat jumps, 20 seconds mountain climbers. Do 3 rounds, minimal rest. Week 3, defense and counters. Now it's time to defend, not just throw, but avoid. Shadowboxing. 4 rounds, 3 minutes. Every punch you throw, imagine a counter. Slip, roll, step out, fire back. Use a mirror if you have one. Watch your stance, correct your guard, no mistakes. Push-ups pyramid. 10, 15, 20, back to 15, back to 10. Little rest, maximum burn. Jump rope, 5 minutes. Focus on double unders. Even if you fail, reset, keep going. Week 4, fighter conditioning. This is the test, the week that breaks the lazy and makes the fighter. Fight simulation. 6 full rounds, 3 minutes each. 1 minute rest. Shadowbox like it's a real match. Combos, defense, footwork. Strength finisher. 20 burpees, 20 squat jumps, 20 push-ups. 3 rounds, no quitting. Final jump rope challenge. 10 minutes straight. If you fail, stop, breathe, continue. No excuses. 4 weeks. That's all you need to feel the difference. Your punches will hit harder. Your body will last longer. Your movements will be sharper. This is not just training. This is war. The only question is, will you finish it?